Hello everybody, welcome to the Matplotlib graph plotting tutorial with Python. Today I'm gonna show with you how you can use Pyplot submodule and how you can get some function there inside Pyplot, how we can use them. We will go step by step. I will show you everything. Just don't worry about part 3 because I just put there for example because when I open my record screen, I can't show you sample 2 or some graphic. When I run the program, just it's going another page. It's looking like that. Then I can't show it you. Just I mean that. Anyway, when you run your program with me, then you will see on your screen this graph, this plotting, these things. But when I run, you can't see it. For that, just I will give you information next way, okay? Anyway, just here sample 2, don't worry about it. Just we will come part 3. You can open part 3 directory and we can say Python file and we can say matplotlib, okay, and underscore pyplot. We will open this Python file. We can close other one. And guys, we will say here step by step what we learn. So first we will say Pyplot. Pyplot. What is Pyplot? Like that. We will come down and we will say for Pyplot. Okay, it's very important model, submodel. Okay, we'll say Pyplot. We can do like that and we can come down. This Pplot, most of the Matplotlib utilities lies under the Pplot submodule and are usually important under the Plt alias. Okay guys, I will write here. You can see, you can read, because also I will put in GitHub in my account. You can see every file there. You can check. Guys, first just think we will say like that. Just wait, I will write here, but don't worry about it. So import matplotlib pyplot. It is submodule, guys. Okay, submodule, and we will say as plt. What is plt? Plt, it's shorter of pyplot. Okay, just we are calling it in the short way plt. Okay, we don't want to write there pyplot every time like that, pyplot dot anything. Okay, any function, we just want to write there plt. It's like pyplot, and we will check the what is function we want to use there. Okay, anyway guys, what I want to say now, the Pplot package can be referred to as plt. I want to write here like that. Okay, and I will come down and we will say here example. We will make one example, and we will say, for example, draw, we can say draw a line in a diagram. Yeah, diagram, yes, diagram, right? From position, yeah, from position. Okay, we will say 0 0. It's first one for x, other one for y. Okay, and we will say to position again. You can say 6 comma 250. Yeah, right, we can do 6 250. So what is meaning that we saying from x position 0 to 6, it will be like this way. Okay, like this way. It's just think x position. Okay, x position, and we have also there y position, okay, we can say for it like, just think like this. It's just y position like that. Anyway, just I will show you everything in the way. So we set for that 0 to 6, then for y 0 to 250 for the connection x and y points. First we will say, guys, x points equals numpy, but first we have to get models here. You can say import matplotlib that pyplot is submodule, and we can say plt, we are calling plt, and we can say import numpy as mp, we are calling mp for numpy. Anyway, we will come down and we will say for x point as we will call numpy model package. Then inside numpy, we will call array function, okay, array function. When we call array function, we have to put there something, some object, okay, what we need. So we told here, we tell here 0 to 6 for x position, yeah, if I'm right. And we will call it, okay, 0 to 6 for x points. And we will come here and we will say for y points, we will call numpy, again array function. And in array, we will call list, we will open list, and we will say 0 to 250. Okay. Now you will understand when you run your program, will be graphic, but not now. Just we will write something more. Now guys, we will say here plt plot. What is plot? You know what is meaning plot. Just you are plotting all the information from x points and y points. Will be some connection between themselves, and you can see on the graphic all the things in the diagram, okay? Just we will put there x list and y list, okay? But like we have variable x points, not x, and we have y points. Now we have list inside plot, so we can plotting it. But if we want to show it, we have to say plt show. It's calling, so it's just show it the graph, okay, show it the diagram. It's gonna call diagram to open it. Guys, when you say run, I didn't will do it because I have example here. It's same. When you call it, you will see there also some option downside. There is save and other things. Just you can save in your computer in some directory. Just you can do it. Anyway, when you run it from here, you will see with me same things. You will see something like that, okay? What we set, guys, for x position, just think. For x, we set 0 to 6, okay? Here, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 6, guys. And for y position, so y points, we set, what we set, 0 to 200. You can see 0 to 50, 100, 150, and it's going 0 to 150. Yeah, right. If you look at, guys, there is, what is the connection there? 0, y in the y position, in the y points, 0 to come in connection with the x position to same 0, okay? 0 to 0, it's going to connection like that. We're saying 0, it's coming here 0. It's starting place for the plotting, okay? 0 to 0. And you will see also 250 from y position, y points. When you look at here, you will see there 6, then 250. It's coming in the same way, okay? It's same position. It's going to connection. We set here 6 to 250 from x position to y position. it will be same. So we can plotting it, we can plot it, okay? So we get solution for it. I think you understand that. Anyway, guys, now I will come down and I will say you will learn more about drawing, plotting. So I mean drawing, plotting in the next chapters. Okay, right here. Anyway, I can get there. Right. You will learn more about drawing, plotting in the next chapters. Okay, just that. For this lessons, it's too much. For next lesson, I won't see you here again. See you later. Be careful for the next lesson, guys. Hello, everybody. See you later. Be careful.